Hey guys, what's up? This is Abhishek and welcome to One Day Batting. Today I came up with a new shortcut method of integration and this is based on definite integrals, right? And let's start the video. Okay guys, this is the question we have, and in order to solve this we have to check this is in the general form or not, and let me explain you what is that general form. Actually, general form is I is equals to 0 to pi sine at cos bt dt, right? This is the general form, and first of all you have to check a condition, that is a minus b. This is a condition which you have to check. And next we have two possibilities here, right? The value of a minus b may be even or odd, right? And if the value of a minus b is even, then the total value of this integral becomes simply 0, right? And coming to the odd, if the value of a minus b, this a minus b is odd, then the total value of this integral becomes 2a upon a square minus b square, right? Okay guys, this is the stuff which you have to remember in order to apply this shortcut method, right? And let's move to the question which we have, right? And see, first of all you have to compare this is in the general form or not. Yeah, you can observe this here, the integral is 0 to pi, right? Yes, it is in the form of general format, and sine at cos bt dt. Yeah, okay guys, I have taken t as variable here. In exams you may get y, x, etc., right? And first of all, the thing is you have to check a minus b, this condition, right? And here the value of a we have 6 and the value of b as 3, right? So a minus b, which is equals to 6 minus 3, this is odd, right? So the value of this total integral is this one, right? So I'm substituting over there. We get the value of a is 6, right, upon 6 square minus 3 square, which we get 12 upon this 6 6 36 minus 9, which is equals to 12 upon this 36 minus 9, which is equals to 27, right? So we can reduce this, that is 3 4s are 3 9s are, right? So our final answer is 4 by 9. Okay guys, this is the answer of this question, right? Let's move on to the next example. Okay guys, this is the second example which we have, and first of all you have to check this is in the general format or not. And you can see over here the integral is 0 to pi by 4, and in general format we have 0 to pi, right? So this is not in the general format. Like so in exams you may not get the questions as in the way of this general format, right? So you have to convert that so that you can apply this trick, right? So the integral we have is pi by 4. So you have to change this into general form, right? So that is, you can write like this: 0 to pi sine phi t cos 4t dt, right? So by writing here 4, then the 4 here will get cancels, right? So here the value of a we have as 5 and the value of b as 4. So the condition is this, right? So for that I am doing a minus b, which is equals to 5 minus 4 1. So this is odd, right? So we have to go with this, and 2 multiplied with a, the value of a is 5, right? So upon 5 square minus b square, that is 4 square. So 10 upon 25 minus 16, right, which is equals to 10 upon 9, right? So this is our final answer. And let's move on to the next example. Okay guys, this is the third example which we have, and this is the last one. Yes, first of all you have to check this is in the general format or not. So the integral is 0 to pi, right? 0 to pi, and this is in the form of sin 80 and this is in the form of cos 80, cos bt, right? So you can comfortably apply this condition, right? So here we have a as 97 and b as 41, right? So 97 minus 41, this is a and this is b. I'm applying this condition, right? So the value of this is 56. So this is even. So what we have in the trick is, if the value of a minus b is 0, then the total value of this integral becomes simply 0. So we get I as 0. That's all. In this way you can solve questions within seconds in your competitive exams, right? That's all for the video guys. If you like my explanation, please like the video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all notifications from my channel. And finally, thank you so much for watching.